Hello there, beautiful people. I am reviewing the Zeiss 225 lens wipes, gentle and thorough cleaning optical surfaces. Probably one of my favorite products that I've come across. This one comes in a giant box that you see about as tall as my hand. And it comes with 225 lens wipes. They're made by Zeiss, who is also a photography lens and also makes tons of different lenses for medical products and binoculars and cameras. In here I said are 225 pre-moistened, individually wrapped lens wipes that are 6.5 inches or 15 by 13 centimeters. They're awesome. They're absolutely convenient. They're these like basically moist towelettes, more or less. These are all the different uses. Safely and quickly cleans eyeglasses and sunglasses. I can vouch for that. It works awesome. Also, other optics including lenses on cameras, webcams, binoculars, microscopes, and I would include your cell phone. Absolutely great for cleaning off your cell phone. Easily removes smudges and dirt. Safe to use on lenses and anti-reflective coatings. High-tech, ammonia-free, cleans effectively without leaving streaks or residues. Keep several of these convenient individually packed wipes in your car, at work, at home, at school, and they're designed for single use only. I keep them personally in my car, in my purse, next to my bed. And so the directions are when you pull the directions are gently brush away any dust and dirt with the folded wipe. Unfold the wipe and gently clean the surface with a circular movement until the surface is clean and dry. The ingredients are water, isopropyl alcohol, proprietary detergents, and preservatives. The only precautions here: on glossy surfaces, test a small area first. Like I said, again, single use only. Please use a new wipe as needed. A dirty or dry wipe can scratch a lens. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use on contact lenses. You do not want to put this in your eye. Avoid contact with your eyes. If it does occur, rinse out your eyes with water. And it is flammable, so keep away from fire or flame. It's anti-static. This is made with sustainable packaging and no drip. It's actually printed with soy ink, which is pretty cool. And if you want to check out Carl Zeiss, the Vision website, company that's based in Mexico, and well, this says Mexico, but also is distributed by Carl Zeiss Vision in San Diego, and it looks like they make it in China. So it's one of the greatest products. When I give people, I will see people fiddling with their glasses, or I'll see that they're dirty. I will pull one of these individually wrapped wipes out and hand them to someone, and it makes a huge difference. So here's to see just my own glasses here. It's got a smudge on it. Give me a second. I'm going to open the towel and show you. So this is what the wipe looks like. It's not very big. It's open. And what you do with it is you take it out. You wipe off any excess dirt just with the edges with it closed up, and then you can open it up like this, clean off the lens, I also do, once I clean off the lens of the glasses, I clean the temple bars because those get sweaty sometimes. So, you can see there's still a little smudge on there, but they work really, really well. And these glasses I got in France, and I absolutely love them. They are something that I like to take care of. So my husband also wears glasses every day, and I think we use about 2 to 3 of these a day. I've gotten some for my sister and my dad and mom. My dad also uses them for camera lenses. He is a semi-professional photographer, so he uses them on camera lenses, and they're so small and just awesome to keep around. You know, it's really great. You never really know when you need a lens wipe, especially for your selfie camera, or your selfie camera or your regular camera on your phone. I particularly have a iPhone, so I use this always on my lens before I shoot any sort of video or photos of it, of anything. And here they are again, 225 lens wipes by Carl Zeiss. And so they last for a good amount of time. Let me show you the inside of the box. What it looks like. So we've gone through about half of it so far. But I honestly keep them everywhere because they're so great for glasses, and I also shoot photography as well, and it's great on the lenses. Make sure that there's no dirt or anything or dust on the lenses. So out of 5 stars, I would give this a good solid 5 out of 5. It's a really awesome product that you didn't really know you needed, but you do need it because it's a really, really great thing. And everyone that I introduced them to absolutely loves them and wants the link to where I bought them. So check them out. 225 lens wipes by Zeiss.